Sustainability is important for Green Mountain and has been all the way since our very start. What we did was that we reused an old NATO naval facility, built probably the world's most energy efficient data center in that facility, all of course carbon neutral. Sustainability has been kind of our core value. Our mission has been that we're going to set the green standard, and we're trying our best every day to be able to do so.
I came to Amsterdam about a year and a half ago to help CenturyLink build an IT and managed services business in continental Europe. And then since then, we've decided to create a dedicated role for sustainability, and so I'll be taking that on for EMEA.
Well, as my role as a global energy manager, part of the work that I do is advise clients on their roles and responsibility when it comes to sustainability. That be it the impact that it has on the environment and the areas where they have their data centers, as well as how it impacts people that live in those areas. So it's quite critical for us to be able to advise them and remind them of their duty of care.
If we're going to succeed with sustainability, we need to think of the world as one country, or Europe as one country, and share those experiences. Like for instance, Norway, we have a lot of green energy, so we share that with the other countries in Europe. And for me, iMasons is a little bit the same. It's kind of been one country for sharing and knowledge sharing, experiences sharing, best practices. So I've learned a lot by participating, and that's why I continue to come back.